Alrighty, another day, another dollar, here we are. Be smart, be patient. We ain't got nothing showing up so far. Um, this is a nice play up here on this wick, if we can get back up there. I would like that. Aside from that, that's probably the only trade that I see so far that I'd like, and we're still a couple points away, even though it looks like we are pushing it. Yeah. Um, this right here, more like this. Seems decent. Oh my god, that was actually perfect. Alright, I'm seeing the market right. That's what's up. They close. Oh, beautiful. And I could attempt this. We got that on the 5 minute. We got this on the 1 minute, which is really nice. Um, this on the 5 minute. Got a minute and 42 till that closes, which is cool. We also have this down here, which is pretty cute. Hopefully we can get some sort of fill here before 9, because we have news at 9. And also I just realized that other trade, point of control is right there, which literally goes against one of my rules, which that's not good. Um, yeah, that's not good. Getting my coffee right now, sorry. Oh, it looks like we're coming back. I gotta grab this coffee real quick.
Order filled.
Oh, because that's the fill. And then don't ever take trades with point of control this close. And it looks like we are gonna do exactly why I don't do what I just did. Oh, or not. I mean, I've got to move it down to this low now. At least a little bit here. Um, Once we get down to like, yeah. Personally, I'm moving break even now. We're not even break
Order
even, a little
filled.
into profit. Okay, beautiful. All right, nice, nice trade. 5 minutes before sentiment. That got a little bit scary there. That's exactly, I mean, part of the reason why I don't like to take those trades close to point of control, right here, because of the fact that point of control kind of acts like a magnet. So the likelihood of us testing point of control is pretty high, meaning that the probability is against me. And obviously, trading is all about probability and having the probability stacked with you. I just really liked, well, first I was grabbing my coffee, so by the time I came back, I was already filled, so I didn't have a chance to really question it. Uh, but yeah, I mean, I did really like this over here, value area low as well, which helped us out a little bit. And again, Michigan sentiment at 10, so things maybe started slowing down a little bit. But yeah, so that was kind of nice. Retest of over here, 72. Where did we end up working off of? The 80s? Did we go down to 20? No, it's just an 80. All right. Um, yeah, so that was nice. After missing, we're not gonna think about the ones that I missed. Cool. Let's see if we can find anything else today. We got these two areas right here that are really interesting. I guess if you want to be aggressive right here, if you want to be less aggressive right here, although this looks like it's getting invalidated right now. I've got consumer sentiment in 3 minutes or so, so I'm just gonna hang out for a second here. Damn. This right here is kind of cute. Volatility still going a little crazy. I'm glad I didn't take that. Volatility is kind of crazy, scaring me a little bit. I kind of want to wait for it to relax a little bit. Although that would have worked out. Well, at least risk off would have it would have been risk off right now. Yeah, that would have worked out. This right here. I'm gonna wait till 2 minutes after news. Did point of control just flip into value area low? Because I don't see it anywhere. I guess it flipped into value area low. I mean, right here, it's interesting. This ended up working out, but that didn't close 10 below for the retest. Yeah, I guess right here is kind of interesting. You know? I'm actually not that confident in that. 80, 20 rotation. See, what scares me here is this. I could definitely see it come back up to at least here. You know? Oh, damn. This is nice right here. I wouldn't be opposed to trying this one. Sellers just seem to have a complete control. I've gotten burned on something like this before. Ooh, we're melting. But a retest here, super cheap. I gotta poop. I'm gonna poop. Alright, now I'm back from my pooping journey, and it seems like we have indeed done what I figured we would do, which is just melt away and basically nothing. Interesting buy down here. I mean, not buy, interesting sell right here on the 700 psych level. Never mind, it's just been invalidated. Ah. Jeez, look at this dump, man. This is crazy. Looks like we're starting to slow down though. Candles are getting smaller and smaller. Slowly starting to round out here. So we'll probably see a push up pretty soon. Would I want to trade that? I am not too sure. Although if we close hammer here, you know, an entry here is kind of interesting. I mean, this 5 minutes got 2 minutes to float around here for. Point of control flip down here? Okay. See, now we're talking. And see, this wouldn't be bad for a push up. Right here. 5 minute candle's got 1 minute. And you can kind of keep your. I mean, I would say you can kind of keep the stop tight, but the stop is already exactly where I want it to be. It will definitely be a little bit scary here trying to go counter trend. If we get the close that I mean, I want this counter to close green. We got a delta divergence at the bottom. Give us a green candle and a retracement back down to here. And then I'd like that. But otherwise, I mean, because even with the volume back here, like it's just struggling. 20 seconds on the candle close. Candle close. Like, I can't take that. Gotta be interested in this. If we can get a break of this low, retest this here. really close, almost invalidated the trade, but I think it's still invalidated with how close we got. I mean, all that liquidity there is gonna be gone. All that liquidity, all that liquidity there is gonna be gone. I mean, that did end up working out, even though we didn't get the 10 close underneath that you like. This is interesting. I love doing things like this. Of course, a heavy close is absolutely necessary here. Oh, we retested it before. Seems like it'll work out. Even so, yeah, I see. I liked it. I mean, I just didn't want to retest it then. Just fine. Nothing I could do about it now. I'm just kind of continuously, slowly melting away here. IB is set now down here. Even though we finally made the cross up here. But we've made that cross up there before too. Oh, this is looking kind of strong, not gonna lie. I guess you could have called this a decent one here. At this point, I mean, I'm just not even paying attention. We're just slowly. This is the IB retest, which I mean, I guess looks okay. I mean, what the fuck am I doing anymore at this point? We've had one trade, one other trade that may have actually worked out, which is right here, aside from this one up here. Um, we had this one right here that I was paying no attention to. Here we go again. Down to the bottom of the sea. And this song's kind of a banger too. I could be less aggressive and go here. We still didn't get the close down below. Or I can be more aggressive and well, less aggressive and go up here. But this is the more aggressive entry that's already gotten filled. We didn't get the 10 close down, so it wouldn't have mattered anyways. We get the 10 points down, which I guess I should start experimenting with 10 points down versus getting a closed and down. This is a break. This is risk off trade now, so we'll see what happens here. Just because if I was in this trade, this would have been proved break even or at least a little bit into profit, like here. Let's just stop out. I mean, at this point, I'm just gonna sitting here on my phone, so. Oh, is this the push? Is this the V bottom? I mean, if we get the 5 minute has a couple minutes left, a retest of this would be interesting. Granted, it's not the cheapest trade. just 'cause I mean my true invalidation point is down here, so it's a little rough. Um, but I mean after this massive little drop, we have to get some sort of pull back to the top, right? Yeah, like this looks really good. I'm thinking a buy along on right here, which is the same as the bottom of this candle right here. And it looks decent on my 44. I mean, on my 44 range chart, there's basically no setup for it. So it'd definitely be a ballsy play. If anything, I might do it as a one contract play. Our first green candle since 9:45. I mean, I wish there was some sort of like actual candle here that I could enter on here, you know, like something like this. But there's really nothing. It's just kind of a blind like, all right, bottom of this wick. You know, we hit that almost 50% retrace of the wick here. Maybe I should be less aggressive and go for the 50% completely, which is right here. I mean, right here you're starting to look kind of, you know, I kind of do want to try it out, but I might only do it as a one contract trade, and I'll open it up a little bit too here. Mm, no, I can't. Personally, to be less aggressive, I'd want to go here. Even though we might not even get down here, we could just straight up rip it from here. Like this is a good entry spot too, right here. Which I guess you could have paired with this, maybe. And use this as your little push. Also, that was the IBL retest, which just got completely stopped out. This is interesting. If we could push this. Next up, maybe this. Definitely this, though. Yeah, I mean, There's no strength. Reach the bathroom. Yeah. mean, I might call it here. It is Friday. I don't want to like do something stupid or take a dumb trade or something and then beat myself up over the weekend. The last two Fridays definitely have not been the best emotionally, so might take that reserve the emotional capital this time around. GG's, nothing crazy. One trade uh, earlier on worked out. Missed another trade that I just got spooked out because of how much volume was in the market. And, yeah, all right. GG's.